Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming browser and version so the right extension and settings apply. Open Chrome, Edge, or Firefox now. Install or enable an extension manager if your browser requires it, and sign into your profile so changes persist. Once done, go straight to the Extensions or Add-ons page and keep this tab ready. You're preparing the environment to block shorts reliably, which prevents misapplied rules and ensures the steps that follow take effect across sessions and synced devices. Now install a content blocker or use uBlock Origin. Search your browser's extension store and add the extension, granting only necessary permissions. Once added, open its dashboard and create a custom filter rule to block YouTube's /shorts path and any iframe elements that use shorts. Apply the rule and reload YouTube. Make sure to also block YouTube. com/watch. V equals patterns if shorts still appear embedded, and toggle cosmetic filtering to hide shorts thumbnails. This reduces reappearance and preserves. Finish by testing. Visit YouTube. Com and YouTube. com/shorts to confirm shorts are blocked. Reload pages and check both homepage and channel pages. If blocked content persists, clear the browser cache and restart the browser to remove cached elements. If problems continue, disable other extensions temporarily to find conflicts, then re-enable them one by one. One key troubleshooting tip: if shorts reappear intermittently, double-check filter syntax and ensure syncing didn't overwrite your custom rules. Reapply and resync after confirming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.